This is Candace here. So, I'm doing a makeup look today. It's gonna be really quick. But I'm a mom of four. And I'm doing a look for like my sister. She lives 15 minutes away from me. So, a look like when she calls me, when sis calls, like, you ready? You wanna go? So, this is not like a late night. This is like a brunch, a lunch look, but it still has to be quick because it just still has to be quick. So as a mom of four, I learned to take my showers at night. I learned to take my showers at night. No one's rushing me. I just get me time. Yeah, and as a mom of four, you gotta get it in where you can fit it in. You know what I mean? One day, I'm gonna learn to do my eyebrows. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm just I'm gonna go like this. So for the sake of time, I'm just gonna use my finished matte look. So, I wanted to talk about Will and Jada and the August guy, the side guy. So, this is gonna be an unpopular opinion. Everything I have here is basically Juvia's Place and my MAC powder. But yeah, so I want to talk about the side guy and the whole situation with that. I want it to be one tone. I want it to be one tone, one color. So this is where the concealer comes in. Just put the concealer on to just cover a little spot. I'm looking down here because my camera is down here. So I wanted to talk about the Will and Jada situation. I feel like as a married person, I can have some say on it because I'm a married person. I feel like unless you're in the marriage, unless you're in the marriage, I stand by this. The two people in the marriage are the only ones that the vows apply to, that the standards apply to. You know? I'll talk about August in a second. So if I'm married and against popular opinion, I want to introduce another person into my marriage, and my husband agrees, that's our marriage. That's what we set our vows to. It's all about me and him. You know what I mean? Even in my marriage, in a marriage between two people, if one person bails out and bring another person in against the vows or against, it's that marriage. It's with those two people. Your marriage is only good. Your marriage is only as good as the two people in it. Does that make sense? So if you're married and I see people leave comments like, oh, my husband's cheating, and oh, this one is cheating and that one. If you're married and that's the basis of your marriage is only good as two people in it. So if you're married and the other half is out doing his own thing, then guess what? You don't have a marriage. It has nothing to do with the third person. That's where everyone's getting things twisted. I want to just go for something simple. I have done this blue shirt. I want to go for this nice, pretty gold right here. Do y'all see it? Right there. It is called Chaga. I want to go for Chaga. So I don't want everybody saying, oh, this and that, oh, Will and blah blah blah. It doesn't matter. That's what he agreed to. If he agreed and gave August his blessing, and it is what it is. That's their marriage. That's what they agreed upon. The marriage is only good as the two people in it. That third party means absolutely nothing. This is my blending brush. Oh, this color is so pretty. But do y'all get what I'm saying? So the marriage is only good as the... Oh, this color is bomb, guys. It's so pretty. This color is so pretty. I'm just gonna blend it. I'm just gonna blend her. Then you get a little foliage here. Just blend that too. Just blend that foliage. Just blend it right in. And then now on to August. So Jada sleeping with August, and Will has agreed because that's what they're doing in their marriage. Now on to him, bro. You coming out now and you talking about God this and God that. Now if God is the religious deity you choose to believe in, doesn't the God that August is referring to, doesn't he believe that that's adultery? So he can miss me. He can miss me. You can't pick up God and this, and you can't say all that because he wasn't thinking about no God. You wasn't thinking about no God when you and Jada was knocking the boots, as the old people would say. Oh, this color is so pretty. This color is so pretty. So now I'm gonna go in with my foundation stick. It's kind of beat up because of my daughter. Look at this thing. Oh, the struggle is real. I want to get it all on my hands. Yeah, so that's just my thoughts on that. Been listening to a whole lot of people give their opinions and give their commentary, but as a married woman, that's what I wanted to say. My marriage is as only good as me and my husband allows it to be. That's it. That's the person I made the promise to. That's the person I took his last name. That's the person that I have stuff with, have property with, have children with. It don't matter about any third person that comes in and says or does anything. Now, there was times when I wanted to call it quits. There was times when I wanted to call it quits. I didn't want to be married anymore. You know? But that was still... Remember I told y'all just I want to clean that up a little bit. So I'm just going to make it smaller. But That's still between me and him. I told Boo I don't want to be here no more. You know, he ain't need nobody to, he ain't need to give nobody his blessing, and he didn't need all the extraness and to talk to. No, I don't want to be here no more. I don't want this marriage no more. Point blank period. So, I'm just saying that to say the marriage is not between you. If you choose to be a side person, that's your thing. The marriage is between the people. Y'all see how shiny I am? That's what the powder is going to take care of. Because sis is looking shiny. I'm looking shiny on camera. I'm not really looking shiny in my mirror. I hate the fact that I keep moving away. When I do my editing, I be like, girl, where are you? Oh, this color is so pretty. So I want a little less gold here. I'm just going to go in with the tip of the beauty blender. There's stuff that I can see in the mirror that I can't see on the screen. I see that I'm shiny as heck though. But I'm gonna fix that. Yeah, so this is just a quick little makeup for me to run out with. I'm doing my mascara. I'm not doing too much, but I still want to be cute, you know? Get you some cruelty-free mascara. Don't walk around with bad poop on your eyes, sis. And fellas, tell your wife, tell your girlfriend. Babe, did you know that the mascara you wearing is made of bat poop? But have an alternative. Maybe go to Rite Aid or Walgreens or Doreen Reed and get some of this. It's $4.99. The Wet n Wild. It's cruelty free. You're welcome. So do y'all agree with me on the whole marriage thing? Even to those who's not married? It don't have nothing to do with you. If you're the third person, the marriage is only about the two people involved. You know? I don't know why I can never open this. Gonna keep this short and sweet because I'm talking through it. Everybody got stuff to do. See, it took the shine away. Now watch what happens on my forehead. Watch the power of makeup. I love this stuff. shine be gone. Look, shine be gone. Now I'm gonna go through here. Shine be gone. Shine be gone. Look, all the shine is gone. A little shine on the cheek there. Be gone, be gone. Now I'm using my Bare Naked, what is this called? Pure Color Envy. Pure Color Envy. This one, dab it. I'm going for a natural look, and I got so much on my eyes, and so much on my shirt. Some lip gloss. So what I got to this too. My stuff is in a whole nother office. Away. Put on my earrings. My Dollar Tree earrings. I love so much. They're so cute. I have my finger blocking my whole. Isn't that cute? So when my hair is down, I either put a bun up or I do like a long ponytail, but I felt like a long ponytail today. I think that the blue really looks nice with the gold. This is just, even if you're boo thing, like, you ready? Like, yeah, I'm ready. Just give me 5. Tell them that. Just give me 5. She cute with her Dollar Tree earrings. These braids need to come out. I wanted to do faux locks, but I'm in the process of doing my daughter's hair because for her birthday. So I put myself on hold. So now what this little piece of something is. Oh, it has to be tucked. See, that's the thing with baby hairs and everything that I want to do. How am I gonna do that and it still goes with my makeup? How? I couldn't do all this. I couldn't do this if I had baby hairs. Oh. Move back a little. This is the finished result. Just a cute little run out and go kind of look of my eyes. It's cute. Okay, under 20 minutes.